Hi everyone, welcome back to the second part of my video. And if you're wondering what the first part is, head over to my IGTV and check out my vegan plantain pumpkin soup recipe. So like I said in that video, I'm going to be taking you guys on a 3-course meal journey. And today we are going to concentrate on the main dish. And what I'm preparing for you guys today is very easy, simple, and it doesn't literally, it takes like 10 minutes to make. And the first thing we have to do is to get our fresh shrimps and clean it. And I use the word fresh because it's actually fresh from the river, not the frozen ones you get in supermarkets. This still has its shells on, so I'm going to show you guys how to clean and devein your shrimp. So once we are done with our prawns, we're going to first start by cooking our pasta. Make sure you follow the instructions on the package of whatever spaghetti you're going to be using. Mine says 9 minutes. That means within that 9 minutes, I'm going to make the base of our sauce for the pasta. So I'm going to show you guys the meal again. This is our fresh shrimp pasta. Guys, it smells so good. So I hope you guys are going to try it and let me know what you think. Like the saying goes, pasta is best served hot. So as it's leaving your frying pan to your plate, make sure it's entering your mouth immediately, or you can be like some people that take from the frying pan straight into their mouth. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you guys in our next and final video where I'll be showing you an amazing dessert that you can make. So see you guys next time. Bye!